AI project cycle. AI project life cycle is a sequence of phases that a project goes through from its initiation to its closure. Stage 1, problem scoping. Stage 2, data acquisition, data exploration. Stage 3, modeling. Stage 4, evaluation. Stage 5, problem scoping. This includes the scoping the problem with which we use to solve with the help of your projects. Data acquisition. This stage includes some acquiring the data for the AI projects. Data exploration. This includes exploring the data interface, interpreting some useful information out of the acquired data and put it uniformly found better understanding of the data. Data modeling. This includes the looking at different AI enabled algorithms, going through survival models and selecting ones which match your requirements and then implementing the chosen model. Evaluation. This includes the deploying the concerned model in the real world and evaluating each and every model and then choosing the model which gives the most efficiency and reliable results. 17 sustainable development goals. No poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequality, sustainable cities and concerns, response, consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice and strong institution partnerships for the goals. Problem scoping. Defining what to do solve a problem. 4Ws problem canvas. Who, what, where, why. Data acquisition, collection, compilation, surveys, web scraping, sensors, cameras, observations, application program interface. Data source, data acquisition process, data exploration, data modeling, AI models, rule based, referenced learning, learning based, machine learning, deep learning. Rule based approach, learning based approach. In learning based approach, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning. Supervised learning, the data set which is fed to the machines is labeled classification regression. So unsupervised learning models are used to identify relationships, patterns, trends out of the data which is fed into the it. Clustering, dimensionality reduction. Reinforced learning, sometimes the required value of the output is not known explicitly, but the system provides feedback on the provided output. Learning based on such feedback is called the reinforced learning. Neural network, the key advantage of neural networks are that they are able to extract data features automatically without needing the input of the programmer. A neural network is essentially a system of organizing machine learning algorithms to perform certain tasks. It is a fast and efficient way to solve problems for which the dataset is very large. A neural network is divided into multiple layers and each layer is further divided into several blocks called nodes. Evaluating idea. Once a model has been made and trained, needs to go through proper so that can calculate the efficiency and performance of the model. Hence, this model is tested with the help of the testing data. Advanced Python algorithms and flowcharts. Algorithms to write an algorithm step by step method to solve the identified problem is called algorithm. Level 1 making a tea, hot coffee, make chapati or rice, make samosa or masala dosa. Flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical pictorial representation of an algorithms with the help of different symbols, shapes, and arrows in order to process data, process of program. Basic Pascal, C, C++, Java, Ruby, Python, etc. Python is the programming language which are created by the Guido van Rossum. Is a Centrum Vinde and information. Easy to learn, read and maintain the Why Python for AI. Lisp, prolong, C++, Java like for AI. AI. A broad standard library, interactive mode, portability and compatibility, extendable database and scalable applications of Python. Applications of Python is the web and internet development, business applications, games and 3D graphics, database access, software development, desktop GUI applications. Python basics, printing statements, print Python statements and comments, keywords, identifiers, variables and data types, Python inputs, Python operators, conditional statements, looping. Introduction to Dots of AI, an Anaconda on Jupyter Notebook. What is Jupyter Notebook? How to access the Jupyter Notebook? Kernels in Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is the open source web application that can be used to create the shares documents that contain the live code, equations, visualizations, and text. How to access Jupyter Notes are the through in Anaconda and Python distribution of the data science and comes preloaded. Jupyter Notebook can be easily accessed by using the Anaconda prompt. Kernels in Jupyter Notebook. To work with Jupyter Notebook, it is necessary to have a kernel on which it is operates. A kernel provides programming language supports a Jupyter virtual environment. Anaconda prompt open base. Base is a 3 colon users intel.02 conda.create nv python 3.7. These are codes Python processor.